Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing this wig from ISeeHair, their princess collection. In the packaging they sent over an edge brush, some wig caps, 2 different types of lashes. Yes, they hooked your girl up with some lashes and a silk headband scarf, and also the wig, of course. So on the back of this wig where the adjustable strap set, I'm just showing you guys how stretchy it is, and it made this wig so comfortable. This is a curly wig in the length of 26 inches. So today I'm going to be installing this wig, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I get the ultimate melt without lace glue. Like, I'm not going to use any lace glue. I'm going to install this wig with gel. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? I use this method as a temporary option for laying my lace down when I really just don't want to have it on for a long time. This is the step that I go by, but I still want it to be melted, like undetectable lace. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean the perimeter of my hairline with some alcohol just to remove all of those excess oils and dirt. You know, the usual. Then I go in with some lace primer. I know y'all going to be in the comments like, why are you using primer if you're not using lace glue? I just feel like it works better when you prime your skin. And if you don't have a lace primer, you can use the Got to Be Freeze spray or hairspray that you just have laying around just to prep the skin before you start. So today I'm going to be laying my lace with the ORS grip gel. And y'all see right there where I'm putting the gel on top of my ear? Not just in front of my ear, but on top of my ear. You have to get those side tabs. Like, you have to make sure you put any type of adhesive on top of your ear, because any part of your lace that starts to lift is going to cause other parts of your lace to start to lift. So you want to make sure that everything is, nice and secure. With that being said, when you're putting the gel on your forehead, you want to make sure you're putting enough down width-wise so that when you do lay your lace in the glue, you'll have more lace tacked down to your head, so that if it does start to lift, most of it will be secured. So yeah, I am going to be applying 2 coats of the gel. I did blow dry the first coat, and then the second coat I'm going to blow dry until it gets tacky. So as you can see, I'm done with the second coat, and I have applied a decent amount of the gel across my hairline, making sure that I got all angles of where the lace needs to be laid, and I made sure that it's even. That's just going to help minimize the white residue at the end of the install, which is a hassle. Then I'm going in with my blow dry again, wait until it gets tacky, but I'm doing this on the cool setting. Comment down below and let me know your experience with using gels, and if you have white residue, or if you don't, just let me know what you guys think about using gel, because there are pros and cons to doing this. When I lay down my lace, I try to pull the lace as taut as I can, and then run the rat tail comb through my hair just to push it down without using my fingertips, because sometimes when you use your fingers, it's gonna turn white. Once my lace is down, I'm going to go in with the medium heat on my blow dryer and literally melt that gel into my lace on this frontal. And then once I do that, I'm going to go in with a cool setting on the blow dryer just to like secure everything and freeze it all up. Of course, I had to run into a snag and it's turning white. But that's because on this side I didn't blow dry it enough. So once I started to comb it, the gel wasn't dry, so it started to turn white. But it's a quick fix. All I did was get a alcohol pad with alcohol on it and wipe that residue off. The lace on this wig, on this frontal, is so good, hunty. I am giving scalp for days. It is so cute, and usually on the norm, I do not do the ball cap method, but I decided to do it for this wig, and it looks really, really good. If you guys want to see how I achieve my ball cap underneath my wigs, comment down below so I can know that you guys want to see that. And, I'm going to get that video out for y'all. I'm cutting my lace off in sections. I just feel like that gives me more control over what I'm doing. And I'm also not going to cut it off straight across. I'm going to do a jagged edge just to make it look more natural. When cutting that lace off, especially when you're using a gel instead of a lace glue, take your time because it is so easy to lift that lace. And once it's lifted, baby, that white residue is there. So you want to minimize that as much as possible. So just go slow and, take your time. I know y'all see that white residue, but sis, trust the process. You gotta trust the process because we about to get melted, honey, melted. So I'm going to go ahead and part some hair out around my hairline. This is where you go ahead and customize your wig to your head and, pluck out hairs for your baby hairs and customize them. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. I'm going to take some hairspray and spray it along the hairline. And this is just going to make sure that lace stays in place, as well as get rid of the white cast, the white residue along the hairline. And we're going to wrap it down with a elastic band, and we're going to let it dry. Going in with my hot comb just to get it flat. Y'all, I got a little bald spot right there. I don't know what happened. I was probably plucking too much in one spot. I don't know, but I'ma fix that. Y'all ain't gonna see my little bald spot, so just don't mind it. If you pluck your hairline, just don't over pluck it. Cause y'all said white where, white who, baby, no residue. Period. While I'm trying to be cute and do cool transitions, my whole nail done popped off. Like, sis, what's going on? But anyways, as y'all can see, my edges are already done. This is like 3 days after I initially recorded this video, well, the beginning half of this video, and my lace is literally still intact and ain't going nowhere. Like, it ain't going nowhere. Of course, I had to refresh my baby hairs and my edges, but that's it. My lace is still laid down and it just lasts. So y'all know I gotta tame these curls and get them popping and banging, and that's gonna tie this whole hairstyle together. With this part, you really have to be careful because you gotta remember we did not use lace glue. We only used gel, so any type of liquid wetness gets on this lace, sis, your wig is sliding. So you gotta be careful with the products and keep it away from your hairline. But yes, that is all for this video on getting the ultimate melt without using lace glue. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment down below and let me know if you guys prefer to use lace glue or gel. And if you do, let me know why. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is MyIshaLeve_. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.